Now we're going to go over our second electrical board. Now, this one is a very simplistic circuit. We have a fuse, an on-off switch, and a lamp. Now, the first question pertains to, is this light bulb, is the reason that it's not illuminating, is it a bad bulb? Okay, let's turn the switch on, and let's just do some simplistic tests. We're going to go from input power over here to the bulb, no problem. And then we're going to go over all the way to the ground over here. We're getting power there. Alright, now we are going to go to the output power. We've got power there. So now we're going to go from the ground side to ground, which is 13.99. That's confirming that you have power flow coming from your positive input or output through the switch mechanism coming over, and it's actually going through the light bulb, but the light bulb isn't illuminating, but it still is having current flow through it up to here. But now this is another question on our exam is, okay, why would we have voltage here to our ground? This is just the ground. This is merely a ground. The voltage should be 0. And one of the questions is pertaining to that. Should the voltage be 0? No, it should, correct, it should be 0. Going from here to here. So there is a break in this wire. And that is why you're attaining the full voltage of our power supply. If this were intact, it would be 0. If you were to go to this terminal before the bulb, then you would be registering voltage. And see, we're registering voltage to that, but that's to the ground. Now, if we go to the ground side of the light bulb, you don't have any voltage. So there's an issue within that wire. And if we wish to, we could shut it off, remove the wire, and check resistance, and it would indicate open circuit. But that's a simplistic way to check to see if you have a problem with the wire. And one of the questions pertaining to is has the switch failed? Well, we were checking at the light bulb, so it's passing through the switch going to that. Now another one is, okay, is this all the circuitry here, is it fuse protected? No, it's not. We've got one of our positive leads coming over to this terminal, one of our positive leads coming over to this terminal, and then it goes from there to the switch. So it is not fuse protected. And that is all for our second electrical board.